Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. You can hear me? Can you type in the chat box? Hi, Terence. Good morning. If you can hear me, can you type in the chat box? Hello, hi, everyone. Wow, today is a very gloomy and nice to sleep morning. Okay, very cooling, right? Very nice to sleep, but cannot sleep. Okay, today is Monday morning entertainment. Today the event is also open to the public. Okay, say hello to the public also. Okay, yes, I cut hair today. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. We're going to go through the markets first. Okay, and then after that we're going to go through the stocks, individual stocks, and then lastly we're going to go through your stocks. Okay. So public, hi, welcome. For those that are not in the SMT community, welcome to today's Monday morning webinar. Every Monday we do this, and alternate weeks we will open up. Not alternate weeks. Sometimes we open up to the public also. Okay. Okay. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's go through the S&P 500. Last week we talked about hedging. Yes or no? That yes, if you were here last week or you heard about what we talked about hedging last week. Okay, we have some hedge position to protect our market is still uptrending, but we want to protect our position. Okay, so let's look at the weekly charts. Weekly charts still up. Okay, we can see from here last week the market corrected. Okay, last week on you can see this bearish candle, the market corrected, but the trend overall on S&P 500 is still up. Support is around 4365. Very time the word 4365, number 4365. This is this week's 4D number 4365. Okay, 4365 will be our support for the weekly charts. Okay, we know that this support because this support has not been broken since the trend change last year in June. Okay, from then onwards, this dotted red line has been guiding our uptrend up. Okay, and the blue color line is still the candles are still blue, indicating that long term we are still bullish. Okay, so 4365 right now is a support. Okay, daily charts, however, daily charts a bit change. Okay, we can see that yesterday, okay, on Friday, it broke below the support. Okay, broke below the support on the this dotted red line over here. Same thing, 3 to 9 months, you still hang on to your long position. Okay, but watch out if let's say break below 4365. Okay, then you need to be careful. Okay, 4365 like this level over here. Okay, this level over here. So if it breaks below here, then you need to be careful on the long term. Okay, so 3 to 9 months still up. Okay, or 1 year still up. However, since last week, in fact 2 weeks ago, we mentioned this already, to start to protect your long position. Because why? Why should we protect our long position? Because we can see from here that last week was already overbought. Yes or no? Yes, if you agree, last week was overbought, and right now it pulled back into the region, this buy region over here. That yes, if you can see that. Okay, we brought back into the region. Okay, now 3 to 9 months we are at the decision point. Okay, whether it will continue to go lower or go higher. Okay, the trend is the current trend is the correct trend. So the current trend in the 3 to 9 months is still up. We should still follow the uptrend. Okay, so right now at this moment, the best thing for the bull is to have the candle shorten. Okay, you can see from here, the candles over here started to get longer. Yes or no? The black line started to get longer and longer. So candle gets stick and get longer and longer. So this tells me that the trend is accelerating, okay, accelerating downwards, okay. So next 2-3 days it should stop, okay, it should stop because this area over here, the 2040 MA over here, this area over here, this should become our support area or buy zone. That yes, if you understand that, okay, this area over here should be our buy zone. So it should stop dropping and start to have shorter candle, and even this week start to rebound. Okay, if it does not, okay, if it does not and it start to continue to drop downwards, drop below the 40 MA, then the 3 to 9 months all bets are off. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like yes, if you understand, if let's say it continue to drop lower, then all bets on the long side, at least for the next 3 to 9 months, are off. Okay, for long term, for weekly charts, still okay, because the weekly charts we can still pull back into this MA over here. Like yes, if you understand. Okay, so say again, if you're long term, 1 year and above, right now at this moment nothing. Okay, it may continue to correct back to this area over here. Okay, however, 3 to 9 months, if it does not stop dropping, okay, if it drop below this red blue line over here, then you should close off your S&P 500. Does it make sense? Okay, by then what happened to this comp? What will happen to this comp? If this price continue to drop further, then this comp will cross zero. Okay, do you understand? Okay, my suggestion is don't anticipate. Okay, don't anticipate whether it's going to turn up, whether it's going to turn up and go higher, or is it going to go down or go lower. Don't anticipate. Okay, next few days, from the next few days action, then you will know whether what should you do. Okay, whether you should be selling or whether you should be doing a swing buy over here. Does it make sense? Okay, this is not bearish engulfing. Okay, so clear? Okay, I understand. Any question? This is not bearish engulfing. Okay, so let's move on. Hedge position, I will still stay at 40%. Okay, I'll still stay at 40%. It is not bearish. Okay, that yes, if you understand, it's not bearish. Okay, however, last week we hedged our position. This week the market pulled back. We want to see the next move. Is the next move going to be up or down? Okay. Usually, how many days is the drop? This one you all should know, right? How many days should be this drop? 3 to 5. Yes or no? 3 to 5 days. Okay. So right now, at this moment, you can see here drop about 4 days. This one drop about 5 days. This one drop about 3 days. This one drop about 4 days to 5 days. Okay. But I think the key point is the candle must reverse. Do you follow what I'm saying? The candle must reverse, must start to go like this. Okay, must go small candle and go up. That's what you want to see if you are bullish. That yes, if you understand. Okay, it should not continue to go one long candle down like that, means wrong lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. So how you position your trades, I would suggest that for position trading, still continue to do your using strategy GPS, okay, and how to exit and enter. Okay, do not use this. This is more for hedging purposes. Let's say example, it starts to drop below here, big long candle down here. Okay, it starts to weekly charts. Okay, it starts to break below this support. Okay, it break below this support. Then I will increase my hedge, or I may even do more short position. That yes, if you understand. Okay, if it goes down below this 4365 area, if there is break below 40 MA, then I will add on more short position or close off my long position. Got it? Question or type yes if you understand. Type yes if you understand. Question if you don't understand, then we can go through. Okay, no question. Let's move on. S&P 500. We go to, I want to go Dow Jones, okay, because seldom we go Dow Jones, but I want to show you Dow Jones. Dow Jones is a bit more interesting, okay. So Dow Jones, this is Dow Jones weekly chart. Support is around 33737. Okay, this is support area. Okay. Question: do you think Dow Jones is stronger or weaker than S&P 500? Stronger or weaker? Weaker. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's weaker than S&P 500. Okay. Not only has it dropped below the support line, it has turned red also. Okay. So what does it mean to you if you are 3 to 9 months in Dow Jones? You should be exiting your position for Dow Jones. Does it make sense? Okay, you should exit your position for Dow Jones if you are 3 to 9 months in Dow Jones. Okay, so you can see weekly charts, more like sideways, and but if you look at the daily charts, it is sideways to down already. Okay, so is S&P 500 is 500 biggest stocks in the market based on market cap. Dow Jones is a very old index. Okay, Dow Jones is what we call a price weighted index. Okay, and price weighted index, and it's also only 30 stocks. So it's not so indicative of the temperature of the market. Okay, it is more for history lah. Okay, it's price weighted. That means if your stock is bigger price, you have a heavier weightage for the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so it's not about S&P 500, leave Dow Jones or things like that. Okay, it's how we calculate the temperature of the market. Okay, S&P 500 is a better thermometer than Dow Jones. Why? Because S&P 500 is based on market cap. That means how big is the if your company is bigger, you have a heavier weightage on the index. Okay, whereas Dow Jones is an old index, is based on price. That means a bigger price stocks will have a heavier weightage on the index, and it's only 30 stocks. Do you follow what I'm saying? So Dow Jones is a more true indicator lah. Does it make sense? Okay, but Dow Jones has been around. Dow Jones is easier to calculate, but it's been around for many years. Okay, set context again, guys. All this we talk about only for your time frame. Do you follow what I'm saying? Only for your time frame. That means whether you are doing 3 to 9 months trade, but when you should be to be doing anything for your long term. No, okay, you should not be doing anything for a long term. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, your long term should still remain. Make sense? Okay. S&P 500 is a more better indicator, as a more accurate because it's based on market cap. It's 500 biggest stocks, right? Dow Jones is only 30 stocks and it's price weighted. Okay. Okay. So next, let's go to STI. STI is how many stocks? And how many stocks are there in STI? Oh yeah, we didn't do disclaimer. Okay, whatever I share with you is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you agree. Okay, thank you. Okay, 30 stocks, okay, 30 stocks, but these 30 stocks are market weighted, okay, market cap weighted. Okay, so long term for STI index. Okay, so we have weekly charts change from blue to red. Okay, Once you change from blue to red, what do you do next? If you are more than 9 months, what should you do next? 1 year to 2 years, what should you do next? You mark the low to exit. Okay, you mark the low to exit. Okay, so if you are trading STI, then you should mark the low to exit. Okay, daily charts. Daily charts more sideways to down again compared to S&P 500 is weaker. Yes or no? We mentioned this last week already. Okay, last week we mentioned that S&P STI is weaker than the S&P 500. Okay, actually STI nothing much to trade lah. Oh, okay. Next we go to Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts already changed from blue to red already. Yes or no? Since July, it has changed from blue to red. Okay, blue to red tell you that exit. Okay, and daily charts also same thing, sell signal already. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, at this point here, this is not buy signal. Okay, not buy signal. Why is it not buy signal? Why is it not buy signal? No teeth and mode is bearish also. Very good. Okay, by now you all know, right? Okay, so this is not no teeth and mode is bearish. So this is not a buy signal. Okay, I think you all should know, right? Okay, not a buy signal for Hang Seng. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq also. I was discussing with some of the coaches last week, and they say don't post swing trade lah, because swing trade is very fast. Okay, so yeah, sometimes like 2-3 days we take profit, we cut loss and things like that. So if your majority of your are new, right? Yes or no? So if you swing trade, you will get you may drop off the swing. Okay, so I think the reason why I do swing trade or post in the Facebook group, right, is because I wanted to do, like, how to say, more and more example to teach. Okay, more and more training. Okay, that's the reason why I do swing trade. It's more for training purposes rather than for like tips. Do you follow what I'm saying? What I do not want is become a tips time. Okay, this is bad. If it become a tips time, right, then I really do you a disservice. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, if it's for training purposes, then you know how to see the swing, we know where to cut loss and things like that, then it's good. Do you follow what I'm saying? Understand not? Okay, but if it becomes tips time, then it becomes you depend on me, then it's no good. What if I no longer doing this? Then there will be a challenge. Yes or no? And not to be dependent also. Yes or no? Okay, not to be dependent also. Okay, maybe weekly swing, but weekly swing, the challenge is weekly swing, we need to have follow through in like 1 month. So the feedback will only take place in let's say 4 weeks, right? Will only take place in a month's time. Whereas I do a daily swing, right? I can feedback to you in 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Do you follow what I'm saying? Whether take profit, cut loss, and things like that. You know the feedback immediately is correct, wrong, correct, wrong. You know the thing immediately. Whereas swing weekly, right? I tell you correct, wrong is like 1 month later I tell you. So it is a bit more challenging lah. Yes or no? Okay. I'll see how lah, because we need to take care of the majority. Okay, not the minority lah. We need to take care of everybody. That's not everybody, the 75%, 80% of people. So if not, then it's disservice. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I'll see how to enhance this or make it better lah. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq. Back to Nasdaq. Okay, before I go on, let me just share with you all one more thing. Before I go on, let me share with you all one more thing. This is not so much of the trader GPS, okay? But if you look at the price action last week, okay, if you look at the price action last week, this price action is quite impulsive. Do you follow what I'm saying? Do you follow what I'm saying? It's quite impulsive. So it needs to be cancelled quickly. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It needs to be cancelled quickly. That means this week is down. Last week was down. This week, if in order to be bullish, it should start to turn up. Do you follow what I'm saying? It should not have another candle down like that. So if it's another candle down like that on the weekly charts, then what does it mean to me? That means whatever I bought last year, okay, in June, I will also need to sell. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so this week, right, is quite important. It must start to reverse last week trend. Okay, reverse last week trend. Why? Because let's say example, this is an impulsive candle down. Yes or no? Then very fast next week reverse already. Yes or no? Okay. Same thing for here. This is an impulsive candle down. By the way, all the while it doesn't break the dotted red line. Yes or no? It doesn't break the dotted red line. Yes or no? Okay. But very fast next week reverse already. Okay. Candle down. Very fast next week reverse already. Okay. So if it's a small candle, it's still okay. Okay, if it's a short candle, it's still okay. Like this. Bearish candle, if it's a short candle, it's still okay. But if it's a long candle down, or if it's a long candle down, then it becomes more impulsive. Do you follow what I'm saying? That, yes, if you understand. Okay, so for weekly trend, right? You wait for what? Candlestick turn red. Or if you want to lock in partial profits, you can also use the dotted red line to lock in partial profits. Do you follow what I'm saying? Let's say example, you got in here already. You use the dotted red line to guide you to lock in partial profit. Or you can also wait for candlestick turn red to get up. Okay, so either wait for it to break below the red line to exit here, or wait for it to candlestick turn red. Got it? But take note that this thing, right, this dotted red line has been supporting our trend up for 1 year already. More than 1 year, 1 year, 3 months already. Okay, so it's important that it does not break. Make sense or not? Okay. Yes, if you understand, it makes sense. It should not break. Like, it means if it's bullish, it's to start to reverse this week. It should not like this week another magnitude, another bearish same size candle down like that. Then it is not so good. Make sense? Anyway, next week we'll talk about it. Okay. Okay. If this happen, then on the daily charts, it will what? If it's another long candle down, then it will break the 40 MA. Yes or no? It will break the 40 MA. So just take note of that. Okay. Next few days it break, I will tell you all. Make sense or not? Okay. Okay, let's move on. Let's go to Nifty. Not close position, follow your trader GPS. Okay, if you are doing 3 to 9 months, if you are trading 1 year, you're trading swing trade, whatever position you follow accordingly. Okay. This is Nifty. This is pullback lah. Yes or no? Nifty is actually strong. Anit, are you here? Okay, it's strong. Okay, you see it pullback. remains strong. Okay, it's still overbought at this moment. It's still not oversold yet. If you go to weekly chart, it's still overbought. Oh, okay, but trend is up. Next, what else? What else? Nikkei. Nikkei. Okay, this Nikkei weekly charts. Turn trend. Last week we were here, yes or no? Okay, last week we were here. This week turn trend up. Okay, and so right now at this moment it's more like sideways. This over here will become the resistance. Okay, this area here, this one will become the resistance. Okay. This area here, this one will become resistance. Okay, so it's like more like sideways, consolidating. Okay, daily charts. Still here, I think it's reaching the resistance area already. So this area here will be the resistance. Okay. Okay, let me move on to the rest of the stocks. SU Upstart. Anybody have Upstart? SU. Okay, say again. Right now I write over here 3 to 9 months straight. Okay, 3 to 9 months straight. So guys, 3 to 9 months straight meaning to say what? Like last week we plant durian, right? Take like 3 months and then you see the shoot come up. Okay, so like 2 weeks, you don't see the shoot come up. Don't go and keep watering and give it extra sunlight and things like that. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so this durian tree takes 3 months to see the shoot come up. Okay, so don't go and put extra water and go and put extra fertilizer. It will kill the tree. Okay, type yes if you understand. Upstart. How many is on Upstart? UPST, 30th of August. Type in UPST if you are holding UPST. Okay, so even on 30th of August when we went in, right now it's up like 18%. It is not like hooray or things like that. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you want to ride the trend, okay, if you want to ride the trend, what you should do is to aim for 3 to 9 months. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Even though 19%, you should not like take profit. Okay, then you become another kind of traders. Okay, so you really need to be able to ride big trends. Like planting durian, then expect durian time frame. Okay, if you're doing daily swing, of course that's very fast. Tauge, right? Okay, 2 days the 2 days the seedling don't grow, kill the tree, kill the tauge. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you must understand where you're coming from. That yes, if you understand PPC, okay. Next one, PPC. Who is holding PPC? This one also less than 2 weeks. 2 weeks time. Okay. 2 weeks type in PPC. We are holding PPC. 30th of August is right here. Okay, so around same price. 2 weeks. Around 2 weeks right now. Okay, so it's digesting this gain. Okay, so this move up is digesting this move. Okay. I need to consciously remember to make it simpler. Okay, because sometimes I become too complicated. Okay, so can y'all see this resistance? Yes, you can see this resistance. This is the price, the resistance. This part here, it broke the resistance. Yes or no? So right now at this few weeks, or even longer, it need to digest this break. Okay, you need to have people to profit take. Okay, to profit take for a price to correct, build a base, then go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't enter already. Okay, these stocks are 2 weeks ago. Okay, 2 weeks ago stocks. In the future, we have stocks, then you follow the signal. Alternatively, you can do your screener, then you do your NASDAQ, then you can scan for stocks also can. Okay, by now you all should know how to scan, right? Like you see this one, you can scan, then you can see or arrow, then follow arrow. Follow what I'm saying. Type yes if you understand. Okay, this is what you should do. Okay, follow the arrows. Okay, arrow number 1, arrow active, second arrow active, third arrow active. How many got this one? Affirm. I keep seeing this stock. Anybody got this one? AFRM. That's 3 is SMT graduate. Oh yeah, I forgot about the public. Okay, public. Hi. Public. Welcome to today. Okay. I come and join us in our next SMT class. The next SMT class is here. I'll post up the link. CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay. If you want to find out more about our course or community, what's happening every week, okay, then you can join us. Okay, type SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Okay, type in SMT. Terence, thank you. Julie, thank you. Wai-san. Hi, Wai-san. Wow, Wai-san, very long time graduate. Okay. Okay, so come and join us, okay, if you want to learn more about trading or want to be part of its community. Okay. Okay, so let's go back again. Next one is PPCI finished. Next one is CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike, we got in 30th August also around the same price. Okay, slight down. Okay, from here down about 8%. Still holding, yes or no? No exit. Okay, how many holding CrowdStrike? Type in CRWD. Okay. Plant durian. Okay. Oh yeah, even though you plant the durian and wait for 3 months later, it is still possible for the shoot not to come out. Do you follow what I'm saying? You aim for the shoot to come out, right? 3 months later. But even you wait and then you sun it correctly, you be patient, it's still possible that the shoot don't come out. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, then you cut loss. Do you follow what I'm saying? So what am I saying is you cannot do extra. If you do extra, it's not good for the stocks. Okay. Next one, GL. Go extra means what? Like example, right now, CrowdStrike dropping. Then what do they do? Wow, cut loss, cut loss. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, then another day go up again one day. Oh, buy back again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, this is like you do extra. Okay, you drop a bit, then you cut loss, then next day go up a bit, you take profit again, then you are not doing the long-term trade. Make sense? Okay, type yes if it makes sense. Okay, next one is GOLN. Okay, same thing, nothing, no sell signal, just hang on. Okay, there's a swing, I think, over here. Yeah. Oh, there's a swing set up over here. Okay. Next one, SO. SO, how many holding SO? Southern Company, type in SO. SO. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, here entry was this candle around the same price. Okay, entry was on the 25th, arrow was here, entry was here, around the same price, nothing much. Next one, MRVI. MRVI got red candle already, right? But haven't exit. MRVI. That in MRVI, we are holding MRVI. Okay, candlestick turn rate. What do you do next? Mark the low. Yes or no? Mark the low. If we exit, if we go below the low, that will be exit. Make sense or not? Okay, don't anticipate. Don't anticipate. Okay, it's important that you don't anticipate. Okay, mark the low. If it drop below the low, then you exit. If it doesn't drop below, please don't exit. Okay, next one, PEP. PepsiCo. How many holding PepsiCo? Still holding PepsiCo. PEP. Like this one, right? Don't anticipate is why you don't anticipate is because like that. Okay, you need to mark the low, didn't sell, 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 and then you came back to blue again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so don't anticipate. Okay. So no sell for PEP yet, for PP. Okay. Next one is Snap. Snap should be exit already, right? Let's take a look. Oh, not exit yet. Okay. How many holding Snap? S and AP. 26 July. Snap went in where? Snap 26 July. Here. 26 July should enter here. Down about 3%. Okay. Down about 3%. Don't exit first. Okay, guys. Wait for it to. If you cannot signal rate, then you exit. Okay. If not, don't hang on. Next one, Yum. How many holding Yum? Type in YUM. Don't exit also. Yes or no? How many agree that no sell signal yet? Okay, no sell signal yet. Type yes if you agree, no sell signal yet, right? Okay, hang on. Next one is Adobe. How many holding Adobe? So as we go down, right, that is older stocks. Okay, Adobe. How many is holding Adobe? ADBE. Okay, so continue, hang on. The key, right, is really in hanging on. Yes or no? But yes, if you agree, the key is really in hanging on. The key is not in like, go down 2 days and sell, take cut loss and go out again, buy again. That's not the key. The key is really in hanging on. Okay. This one we got in 21st of June, which is here. Okay, about 15%. 15-16%. Okay. And last one, our DKS. How many still holding DKS? How many take a little bit of profit already? No DKS. Okay. 22nd of March. I think we got in here. Should be about 80% already. Okay. You entry, right? Oh, so 22nd is the arrow we got in this candle. Okay, about 80%. Okay, last one. Long term any stocks? Long term any stocks want to see? 10 cents. Time frame, long term. Long-term time frame. Long-term time frame. Let's go weekly charts. Okay, you can even go monthly charts. Okay. Daily weekly charts first. Weekly charts first. Okay, so last few weeks rally, yes or no? Okay. So what does it tell me here? Last few week rally, what does it tell me? What does it telling me here? The upswing last 2 weeks ago start to slow down. Yes or no? Start to slow down. Yes or no? Then there's a swing trade setup, sell signal setup. Yes or no? Or sell setup. Okay, so this is for long term. Target back to where? Target back to around 2421. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. By the way, you can also learn to analyze the candle. These candles over here are impulsive, impulsive candle. This candle over here are considered corrective. Yes or no? This wave down versus this wave up. This wave up is slower than this wave down. Okay, so I think I may be wrong, guys, but I think there will be still one more test of the support. I mentioned this either last week or the week before. Yes or no? Type yes if you all heard me say before, okay, I think there will be another test one more time. Okay, so even if you are long-term want to buy 10 cents, you have time. That's the key. You don't need to like rush in to buy today. Got it? Okay, if around 420 you want to buy, you can. Make sense? 420 you want to buy, you can. Okay, if we go to monthly charts, there, can you see 420 is a good level to buy? Okay, make sense or not? Up to you. Okay, you want to grow tauge, you want to do durian, up to you. But you all must know what you're growing. Okay. Oh yeah, another thing is when you grow durian, the amount of fertilizer and water and sun is different from the when you grow tauge. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means your size is different. Yes, if you understand. That means how you trade for your daily swing, the amount of trade and how you trade for your weekly position or daily position, the amount of money you trade is different, or the money at risk is different. Do you follow what I'm saying? Yes, if you understand. Oh, so we have went through this before, how to calculate the size, how much fertilizer to use, how much sun to use. Okay, but the key is when you trade, you must follow the trade size also. Okay. So if a daily swing, now stop loss is also different. Daily swing, the risk, how many percent is the risk in terms of percentage of portfolio? It's 2% only. 2%. Okay, 2%. It means you are wrong, you lose 2% of your portfolio. 10,000, you lose $500. Okay. But for weekly swing is different. It's 5%. Okay, so it really depends on what kind of plan you're growing. Okay, that means how much resource you should put into it. Okay. Okay, so if you are doing long term, 10 cents, I think is still a long-term uptrend stock. Okay, at around 420 this level you can get in. Okay, today maybe a bit high. Okay, but 450, 420, I think you can get in. Make sense or not? If you are long term, okay, the context is this kind of stocks you will not sell on. Okay, do you follow what I'm saying? Yes, if you understand. If the MA looks like it is holding or not holding, Gabriel, the MA seems like it's holding or not holding. Holding, why is it holding? Why it looks like it's holding? It stopped having a long candle down. It has a tail. It's a tail. Do you follow? That means there are buyers. There are buyers. Yes or no? There are buyers below. And the candle, right, from long becomes short. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, there are buyers. Got it? Might not close. Let's see how. Okay, until right now. Until right now. Until today. Okay. So if you want to see level, right? I think this level will be good to look at. So if you have this candle down, okay, I'll share another idea, right? Usually it's like that. First move is like that. Second move is like that. Then this move, right? It is usually like this. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. The first move is like, if let's say it is reversing, right? The first move is sharper, the male or female. Okay. Okay. Usually it's like that. Okay. Let's move on. Any other stocks want to see? QQQ will be say a Nasdaq. Okay. Ting Ting, what are the rest of the stocks? Thank you. Ethereum. Yay, Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is my long-term position. Type yes if you all know. I think a lot of you all know, right? Ethereum is my long-term position. Type yes if you all know. Okay, I got it at very, very good price. Okay, but the fact is I don't see one. I don't keep seeing the stock one. Okay, so I suggest you don't also like. If you are long term, then don't need to see. Okay, I think it is coming down. And I mentioned this like before, right? That yes, if I mentioned this before, when it hit 4,000 at time, right? I mentioned that can lock in some profit. Okay, okay, so wait for it to come back down. Okay, come back down to this. Okay, come back down to this area over here. Okay, you want to go drill down smaller time frame. Okay. Okay, next level to look at time frame, guys. The key is time frame. What time frame you're talking about? Is it this time frame or what time frame? No time frame, they're hard to tell. Oh. Long term, I think can wait. Long term can wait. Maybe around 3,000, 2005. Can wait. If you want to buy long term. Oh. Okay. Cannot. What's the drop level? Okay. 2005, 3,000. Okay. If you can get even 2,000, even better. Oh. But cannot be too low. Okay. Cannot be below 1,005 means wrong already. Oh. So long as it stay above here, if you go into this region over here, it'll be good. Okay. Next one, TSM position daily. TSM position daily. TSM. Yeah, I thought this one sell signal already. Or no, maybe I'm wrong. Sell signal TSM. You all got TSM? How many have TSM? Type in TSM if you have. Wow. Why your right now is sideways. Okay. It is in this building this thing. Okay, in this region over here. Okay. So if it clear up already, then it will find this region over here. This one don't have 6-month high, frankly. Okay, I find it's too noisy at this point. Okay, this move over here finished already. So don't expect this TSM to go into this move again anytime soon. Or don't have 6-month high also. Got it? Okay, so likelihood the next few months it will just start inside here or start from here to here. Okay, it will not have this kind of move. Okay, unless it break out of the consolidation, break out like that. Okay, it break out resistance and support, and then after that, then it can move. If not, then right now it's stuck in this range. Got it? Weekly position setup possible. Position weekly. Position weekly not very nice also lah. Oh, not nice Yes or no? Yes, if you agree, position weekly also not nice. Here is nice. Okay, here is nice, but here not so nice. Okay, so last one. JD position daily. JD position daily. Position daily. Hey guys, must have 6 months high. Oh, no signal also. Trend also bearish. Yes or no? Trend also bearish. Is it correct stock? This one also bearish. I think not good lah, this one. Okay. Yes, if you understand, this stock is not good for doing 3 to 9 months trade. Okay, not good lah. Baba position weekly. Same lah, not good lah. Guys, the China stocks are, if you are doing longer term, let's set some context. If you don't care about the price, you just want to buy and then hold for 5 years, 10 years, they're okay. That yes, if you understand, then you can buy like 10 cents or whatever. But if you want to say, right, that I want to buy at turning point, that means I want to buy when the thing turn up. Then right now, right, it's not yet time to buy for the China stocks. Do you follow what I'm saying? Let's say example, you say I just want to buy and then don't see, okay, then you can buy lah. But if you want to buy at turning point, then you want to wait for candlestick turn from red to blue, then you buy. Okay, it may this thing may be a few months, 4 months, okay, like this thing, right? It can last like May or March, sorry, this is April, right? All the way to January. So it's like 7 months, so you need to wait lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? So at this moment, China stock is still a bit early lah. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, if you understand. Okay, I do 1 or 2 more stocks since got time. I'll go through this, guys, to be fair, right? Because your vote run is fairer. If you just post over here, right, then we will skip some people. Okay. Apple, what time frame? Never time frame also. Okay, don't have time frame. I just assume it's position daily. Okay. Still holding. Okay, Apple. Okay, still holding. Last Friday, some of the candles very impulsive. So some of the candles, can you see? Very impulsive. So need to be more careful. Okay, 2 weeks. Last week I mentioned already. Start to hedge position. This week remain hedge position. Okay, you should have some short position to protect yourself. Okay. Any other question? If not, then members of public, come and join us in our SMT. This is the link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, SWB. I may also spend more time to do. I did one last year, is it? Or no, last year. I think this year. We did one this year also, right? The upping your TA skill. How many went through this before? The upping your TA skill one, that one. Have, right? I may do one more because I think it's back to basic again. We did 2 sessions at time, right? Yes or no? Where is the master class? I will do again. And then I think I will ask them to post again. Okay, because I think that is quite important. Everybody back to basic. Okay, I'll get them to post it up. Okay, but I get them to post it up at the same time. I will do again also. The upping your TSQ. Okay, the 2 training, right? I'll put out in the master class. Okay, I'll put out. Oh, by the way, please go and watch the master class. How many watched this master class already? Secrets of CCI. Like me. Okay, Secrets of CCI and How to Find Set Stop by Ryson. Go and watch it, okay, guys. Okay, even the swing trade by Mark is very good also. Okay, it's very good also. Please go and watch it. Okay, in fact, all very good, okay. Hedging ideas. Hedging ideas, you can do. Okay, let you choose your vote. You want to do position weekly or position? You want to do swing weekly or swing daily? Choose one. Swing daily or swing weekly? Swing weekly, swing daily, swing weekly. Wow, got swing weekly, got swing daily. Okay, let's do both lah. Okay, let's do. I will do Nasdaq. Okay, swing weekly first. Swing weekly, look for swing. So when you're looking for swing trade, you want to look for stable trend downwards. Or do you follow what I'm saying? You look for stable trend down. Okay. Like this is downtrend. Yes or no? Like we have uptrend, downtrend. Yes or no? Okay. So this weekly trend will be how long? 1 month, around 1 month. Okay. So while now you have this stock going into your setup ready, what do you do next? What do you do next? Mark the low. The low price is 247.64. So once it breaks 247.64 below here, then it will short back into this support over here. Okay, this will be an example of a short. Okay, like this. Also same, right? Price going up, up, up. This is like a pause. That yes, you can understand. It's like a pause. Pause doesn't mean it will not go up further. Okay, so you need to again mark the low. Check the low price. The low price is 99.42. 99.42. So below 99.42, there will be a short. Got it? And then you aim back down to support here. Okay. This is for weekly position. Weekly swing. Okay, weekly swing. For daily swing got much more. Okay. And then you can swing like swing tree. Okay. So rank by month, you can do long. You can do long. You can also do short. Okay. Example of long can be like this one. Yes or no? That yes, you can see the setup. That yes, you can see the setup. Or MA sweeping up, CCI low, Grameen. Okay, these are setup. Okay. This will be sell setup. This one. Sell setup. Okay, so here price come to here. Sell setup. Okay. For public, you can go to this place to watch the video how to do this setup. Here, okay. CollinSeow.com/ecos-o. Okay, how this thing work. Okay, so Expedia, Craft. Yes or no? These are all potential you can do. What else? Okay, guys. Any other question? No question type good. Then we can call it a day. Thank you, guys. Thanks everyone for being here. I'll ask them to post up the TA course again. Okay. By the way, when the reason why we have time limit is not we all are very stingy on the training guys. Okay, it's because to urge you all to quickly go and watch it. Do you follow? Because what we found is a lot of times when you post up master class in premium members area, a lot of people don't watch it one. They take their time, or it's always there. There's no urgency, to watch it. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, because never mind, it's free one, then just put it there, don't watch first. Do you follow what I'm saying? Next time everyone have time limit. You all watch it fastly. It's for your own good, right? Not because we post, we take effort to put, right? You all should watch it, yes or no? Oh, 人就是这样, right? If it's free one, people don't appreciate, no? When it's got time limit one, people will go and watch it. No lah. Okay lah, put it over there. But go and watch it, okay, guys. Okay. It's of good value, and guys, you all watch it already. I'm assure you all, those people who watch it over and over again, you all get a lot of value out of it. Okay. People like Royson, people like Mark, these are all people who keep doing, right? You see, every 2 weeks every month we have like at least 3 trainings sometimes, right? Okay. If not, then thank you very much, guys. Public can join us, okay, in the SMT community. This is part of the SMT community where we have ongoing webinar master classes for students. All our webinars are recorded, like what we buy, what we sell, we put it over here. Okay, so there's some accountability and follow through. Okay, if not, then the rest of the question, go and ask in the Facebook group. Okay, thanks a lot. See you next week. Bye.